Hello friends, welcome to DND Construction. So friends, today I will tell you in AutoCAD plan how to calculate area of any structure or a plan. Suppose this is one slab is there S7 and this is S4. Different slabs are there. So this is regular shape, rectangular, and this is irregular shape. So it is very difficult to find area by multiplying these values. So I will tell you how to calculate this area in AutoCAD by Polyline, because we required area to calculate shuttering quantity for BBS work, and to many times we need to calculate concrete required for that particular area. So for that we need to calculate area on construction site and for BBS work also. So friends, let's see how to calculate this area. As you can see friends, this is rectangular shape slab S7 and both side beams are there. So first friends, you have to check this polyline. You can by command also you can select polyline, or this command is directly is there polyline. So first start with one point from where you have to start. So friends, this I have started this first point. So then click on this second, then this third, and this fourth, and this join this polyline. So I have joined this. So friends, this is simple rectangular. I will tell you in next irregular shape also. So you can see this is our polyline. So just check the properties. I will change first color. So this is our selected area. As you can see, this is our selected area. So if in this properties section you can see different area is there, length is there. So this complete length is there, how much length and how much area is there. So area is 8.449 in square meter. This dimension is in mm, so this is showing in mm. 8449 3 times 0. This is in square mm. So friends, if you will see, if by dimension, as you can see this by dimension, this 2380, this is 3550. So this, if you calculate this 2380 and 3.55 and multiply, you will get same 8.449 square meter. This is for simple rectangular slab. So this is, you can see, this is our irregular shape. So friends, I will show you how to plot this polyline. You select this polyline, or by command also you can select polyline. So I have selected this polyline. Then you choose one point, start point. So you click on start point and go by clicking all the points. Like this, you have to select all the points. Like this, you have to select all the points, and remember to close this loop from where you have started. So I have closed this loop polyline. So by clicking, you will see this is our polyline area. So by clicking properties, if you see this properties, I will change the color to see properly. This is in green color. So you can see this is our irregular shape, this. So if I have to calculate this area, so you can see in this, you can see in geometry area is 14.02. 3 zeros, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So 14.02 is our area of this S4 slab. In this you can see these are the different columns. So hope so friends, you have understood in this how to calculate simple area in AutoCAD drawing by Polyline for rectangular regular shape and for irregular shape also. By like this you can calculate area of whole building or whole plot, anything, any area you can calculate by this Polyline. So once again, thank you friends. If you like this video friends, and if you have learned something from this video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel DND Construction for more such videos. Bye bye friends. Take care.